So that's the sound my drive makes when starting up. I'm not sure whether it's a mechanical problem or a PCB board problem. So if you could help me diagnose it, that would be great. Thanks.